Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one and only Great Dane. So, today I'm going to be talking about how to defeat Robo Rumble or Vault Defenders on insane difficulty. So, the reason I'm making this video is because there are videos online about how to, well, not really. There are videos online about beating, about beating insane on the new Robo Rumble, but they don't really go into how, so basically, I got really lucky because since I play with randoms, I finally got a good enough team comp to beat it. The last rotation with Robo Rumble, which was pretty much the same thing as this, I just couldn't get a good enough team together, so I played for like 5 hours straight and just wasn't able to beat it. So, if I were you, I would choose brawlers with really high DPS, which would be 8-bit. You have Pam, which can hit really sturdy shots. And what's great about 8-bit and Pam is their gadgets also work as a distraction, because you have to remember that the main point of Robo Rumble is that you want to stall for as much time as possible rather than actually defeat the robots. So what I did basically was, since I was playing Shelly, because I know that a bunch of robots tried to spam the safe at the end of the round, so what I was going to do is I was just going to spam my super as much as possible to get rid of as many robots as I could, just to wind down the clock. And that was just enough to really wind down the clock enough to beat the level, which you'll see, because eventually, from my experience, there's no way you're going to beat it with all of your characters living. When it ends, you're probably going to win just by having enough time for the robots to not destroy the safe. Because eventually you're just going to get overwhelmed. So, again, my recommendation for characters to use to beat Insane Keep Safe is you want to use characters with high DPS or AoE attacks. So I think you can really abuse Shelly's super if you can line up enough of the robots on the safe at once, but again, even that takes luck to assume that the robots show up in the right way, or you have to angle yourself in a position where you can shoot them. It's really good if you can have either Pam, 8-bit, or really any other brawler that throws down stuff. I do know that they fixed the Sprout super glitch where he throws down his super and it somehow stops the robots from attacking the safe. So that's not really a viable option. I suppose you could also do the El Primo strategy, which is what I like to call it, which is basically where you get a fast character or something to get all the robots to run around the map instead of actually going towards the safe. And even with that, you still want to have someone on the safe just in case they don't all follow you. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. As always, I will leave a link to the game in the description if you want to play it for yourself. If you look forward to more videos like this, feel free to subscribe and ring the bell. But thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.